I get asked all the time how I was able to attach a timber panel to this top section of my Hiace. So I thought I'd do a quick video on how I do that now. So the same as framing all of the walls and the roof, I'm gonna put some timber strips across here. Now the tricky part with this is that you only have a small section that you can actually attach these strips to. As you can see here where we haven't insulated, these thin metal supports are only about 10 millimeters deep before you will be penetrating the exterior of your van. So that's the tricky part, is we have to attach these on here without over penetrating. So it's kind of a balancing act between finding a perfect little screw that will get through the rib but then not come in contact with the outer wall. If you don't have the perfect size screw, then you'll need to make your pilot hole as we did with the drill bit, and then cut your screw down so that it's not going to come into contact with the exterior wall at all. So it's just about going nice and slow and making sure you're not over penetrating. Done. So that's through, and we'll do the next one. Just make sure I'm still in the same spot. In fixing this strip to the wall, we're going to use one of both screws here. So this is a correct size screw that isn't going to penetrate too far. This is a self-tapping metal screw, which I have had to cut the tip off of so that it's not too long. This was the original screw, which has made the hole, and now it's too long. So I've just cut that off with a grinder to make sure it doesn't over penetrate. So we'll use one of each of those and fix this to the wall. This is actually going to be really tricky, finding the hole. Oh. One. Two. So that's our first timber strip in. It's just a matter now of getting our second one in, and then that gives us some nice timber to glue and screw our final board to. So we've already cut this more or less to size. So we'll just prime that with a primer and our finished paint, and then it's all ready to go up.